Shut up. Oh, I love you, Pookie.
Yeah.
Looking like a green pearl, eh? How much is it?
Yeah. 750 this one.
Well, yeah, I'll do it.
Alright.
Let's have a look at it again now. Let's have a look at the green pearl.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I like the chrome on it, eh?
Yeah.
So, lunchy.
Yo, sorry about the wait, bro.
Yeah, just buy that one off you.
Yeah, bro, see this.
I don't have your contacts, so I can transfer it.
I'll give you my bank number if you want.
Yeah, yeah.
This is what you said out of.
Cheers, bro. Thank you.
Alright, do you wanna hold that, Rochelle?
Yeah.
I accidentally called him Lenny, that's why he charged me an extra 100.
Yeah.
Nah, just kidding. Alright, now we just gotta choose the one. We bought the kit, time to install it.
Yeah. Yeah.
The
So
white-
it was
it's the,
like, oh no, it was
yeah, that one.
this one.
Just stay in the camera. I'll show you the read.
Yeah, I think I'll lock this one.
There you go, bro.
Oh,
Yeah, that looks mean.
I gotta take a photo. That's insane now, eh?
Yo.
Listen, this is insane.